Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Modern garden fence design represents a shift from traditional, purely functional barriers to architectural elements that complement the overall aesthetic of a contemporary home. At its core, modern fencing emphasizes clean lines, minimalism, and a sophisticated use of materials. Unlike classic picket fences or standard chain links, modern designs often focus on horizontal orientations, integrated lighting, and a blend of industrial and natural textures. It is about creating a room outdoors where the boundary is just as important as the furniture. The meaning behind this design style is to provide a seamless transition between the interior architecture of the house and the natural environment of the garden, ensuring that privacy and security are achieved without sacrificing visual elegance. Investing in a modern garden fence offers several significant advantages beyond basic property marking. First and foremost is the immediate boost to curb appeal and property value. A well-designed contemporary fence acts as a high-end frame for your home, signaling quality and attention to detail. Beyond aesthetics, these designs often provide superior privacy. By using overlapping slats or solid panels, you can block out the prying eyes of neighbors while still allowing for airflow and filtered light. Additionally, modern fences are frequently built with durability in mind, utilizing advanced materials that resist rot, warping, and weather damage better than traditional wood. They also serve as an excellent backdrop for landscaping, making your plants and flowers pop against a neutral, structured surface, effectively turning a simple boundary into a piece of outdoor art. Decorating a modern fence requires a less is more approach to maintain its sleek appearance. One of the most effective ways to enhance the look is through integrated outdoor lighting. Installing recessed LED spotlights or warm string lights along the top or base of the fence creates a dramatic glow and highlights the texture of the material at night. Another popular technique is the use of living walls, or vertical gardens. By attaching sleek planters or allowing climbing vines like jasmine or ivy to scale parts of the fence, you soften the hard lines with natural greenery. You can also play with contrast by placing large, architectural plants like ornamental grasses or structural shrubs in front of the fence panels. For a truly high-end feel, consider adding decorative metal screens or laser-cut panels as accents within the wooden sections to create a focal point that breaks up the repetition of the slats. Choosing the right material is crucial for achieving a modern look that lasts. Horizontal wood slats, particularly those made from cedar, redwood, or ipe, remain a top choice due to their natural warmth and high resistance to decay. However, for those seeking lower maintenance, composite fencing is an excellent alternative that mimics the look of wood without the need for staining or sealing. Metal is another staple of the modern movement. Black powder-coated aluminum or steel provides a sharp, industrial edge that looks incredibly sophisticated. For a more avant-garde approach, frosted glass panels or polycarbonate sheets can be used to provide privacy while letting in maximum light. Finally, concrete and stone gabion walls are increasingly popular for modern designs, offering a sense of permanence and a rugged, earthy texture that contrasts beautifully with polished metal or smooth wood accents. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best modern garden fence design ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the glass-enclosed luxury pavilion. This design features a stunning combination of a dark-framed glass structure and integrated seating. The glass panels act as a transparent fence that provides wind protection while maintaining an unobstructed view of the surrounding greenery. It is the height of modern luxury, blending the comfort of an indoor living room with the openness of the backyard. 2. Contemporary slate and cedar contrast. A masterclass in texture, This design pairs a dark charcoal-painted brick wall with a warm horizontal cedar topper. The deep gray of the wall provides a moody, sophisticated base that makes the natural wood grain above it stand out. The use of minimalist stepping stones and spherical topiary plants completes the clean, structured look. 3. Minimalist horizontal slats with concrete accents. This idea focuses on long, thin horizontal wooden slats that create a sense of movement and length. The fence is integrated with a smooth, white concrete planter box that doubles as a built-in bench. This multifunctional approach is perfect for modern yards where every element needs to be both beautiful and practical. 4. Tiered concrete planters and wood privacy walls. Featuring high-walled cedar fencing, this design uses tiered gray concrete planters to add depth to the garden perimeter. The varying heights of the planters allow for a layered landscaping look, while the warm tones of the wood fence provide a soft, organic backdrop to the sharp architectural lines of the masonry. 5. Classic white picket with a modern twist. This design takes the traditional white picket fence and updates it with sharp, pointed post caps and a clean vinyl finish. When paired with variegated climbing plants and lush mulch beds, it offers a crisp, bright border that feels fresh and contemporary while nodding to classic suburban aesthetics. 6. The garden arched entryway. A beautiful white garden arch serves as the focal point for this fence design. Covered in lush climbing roses and vines, the archway creates a romantic, secret garden entrance. The simple white picket fence on either side keeps the focus on the floral display, making the entire perimeter feel like a living part of the landscape. 7. Sleek gray perimeter with built-in seating. This design utilizes a tall, light gray vertical board fence to provide absolute privacy. The clean, neutral color palette is broken up by a floating wooden bench and raised white garden beds. This setup is ideal for creating a modern, secluded sanctuary in a compact urban backyard. 8. Vertical succulent garden insets. Taking the living wall concept to the next level, this fence features polished wood panels with vertical stainless steel channels. These channels are filled with a dense variety of succulents, turning a standard privacy fence into a vibrant, growing art installation that provides a unique texture and pop of color. 9. High-density evergreen privacy screen. For a natural take on modern fencing, this design uses a tall metal corrugated fence in a neutral beige tone, fronted by a perfectly manicured row of thuja green giant trees. The repetition of the evergreens creates a soft, living wall that provides excellent sound dampening and a year-round green border. 10. Integrated rose trellis and black frame panels. This sophisticated design combines horizontal wood slats with black-framed louvered panels. The black frames provide a modern, industrial look, while the climbing pink roses on either side add a touch of softness and elegance. It is a perfect balance of hard architecture and soft gardening. Creating the perfect modern garden fence is about more than just marking your territory. It is about defining your lifestyle and enhancing the beauty of your home. Whether you prefer the warmth of natural cedar, the industrial edge of metal, or the softness of a living green wall, the right fence can turn a simple backyard into a private masterpiece. Remember to consider your home's existing architecture when choosing your materials and layout to ensure a cohesive look. If you enjoyed these modern garden fence ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more outdoor inspiration. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a new project. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear about your backyard renovation plans.